In this video I want to unbox to you the Acer XZ240Q P monitor. I can't show you how I opened this package because it was very big and I can't open it on my desk. But here are the things they came shipped with this monitor. First of all, an HDMI cable, then an USB A to USB B cable, the power cord, the base and the stand from the monitor and the monitor itself. So here are the things we need to mount the monitor. At first we want to take the monitor out of its protection. Here you can see all of the ports, so for example the two HDMI and one DisplayPort port, and also the USB hub and the headphone jack. Here you can see the base, and on the bottom of the base there's a screw which should connect the base to the metal tube which should hold the monitor. To attach the monitor to the base we just need to attach the foot stand to the base and then turn the screw on the bottom of the base clockwise. To attach the monitor to the stand, we just need to place the stand into the notch like this, press the stand down, and now the monitor is secured attached with the stand. And very cool thing of this monitor is that it's adjustable, so I can do this, for example, it goes down, or I can put the screen up, I can turn it like this. And I think for $150 it's very good for gaming as well, because we have 165 Hz and resolution from 1080p. Also we have here an 23.5 inch display, which is huge, and it's curved as well, which is very good for gaming. And all in all, I think it's a very good monitor. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and see you next time in the next video.